Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate the use of relationship management system, which is also called as RMS. RMS is a smart web portal to receive and act on the queries, suggestions, requests, feedback, etc. raised by the students, which enables the university for effective action on any issue raised by them. This smart way for grievance processing connects students and university through online platform while maintaining ease for the users. Now, I will be discussing few features of relationship management system which explains why this online platform is effective for addressing your concerns. So some of its unique features have been highlighted below. A unique tracking number is generated with each RMS request, through which status of each query can be tracked if required. Communication through RMS can be two-way and duly recorded for reference. There is a provision given to the students of attachment of the supporting document along with their query. There is also a provision that students can rate the response which they have received from the dealing officials. Now, I will explain how students can stay connected with the university through all possible means, so that a hassle-free environment should be provided to them for their concerns. In the next few slides, we will be seeing how RMS can be logged through UMS. So as soon as you log on to your UMS account, this is your home page. Through this home page, to log RMS, you have to go to UMS navigation. From UMS navigation, select Relationship Management System. After clicking on Relationship Management System, there are two options, Log Request and View Request Status. So if you are logging your RMS request for the first time, click on Log Request button. As soon as you click on the Log Request button, this is the next interface which comes. In this interface, it will ask you to select the type of query you want to raise. Now, your query can be a grievance, a request, an inquiry, or feedback that you want to ask from any of the departments. Once you select the message type, select the category of your query very carefully, as if the request is related to maintenance issues, select that category, and if the concerns are related to academics, then select academic and administrative issues. The students are advised to carefully select the department so that their query can be addressed via proper channel and they can get an effective response, that too in a proper time. Once you select the department, it will give you an option to select the category to log your request. To narrow down your search, specific subcategories will become visible so that you can raise your request to specific department. Now select that subcategory from the options available. As soon as you select the subcategory, then you have to enter the brief description of your message in the given box. You have to enter your contact number, the subject of your query, and the brief description of your message. RMS also provides this feature to attach the supporting document along with your message. Now with this supporting document feature, you can attach any of the relevant documents like any file you want to give or any snapshot or any proof you want to give along with your request. As soon as you complete logging your request, a unique ticket number is generated, which you can use anytime for reference to your request. Now, once the RMS is logged, if the dealing official, in case, since it is a two-way communication process, and if the dealing official asks for additional inputs from you, the same will be visible in your UMS My Message on your UMS dashboard. As it can be seen on the screen that in case the dealing official needs any additional inputs for your request, the same will be reflected in the UMS My Messages on your UMS dashboard. Now, what exactly the dealing official wants to ask from you? To know that in detail, click here for details. As soon as you click here, you are able to view that interface where you have to check that what that dealing official is actually asking. Write your comments, give your remarks in the box given on the screen, and then click on the save button to complete the request. Once you have successfully logged your request and communication is completed, now the dealing official, after verifying the facts, try to redress the grievance within a reasonable time, preferably within a week of the receipt of the application, while keeping in mind the university acts and regulations, so that no decision shall be taken in contradiction of the same. Once a solution is provided to your query, it will be visible in UMS under My Messages along with the detail of the solution given. The dealing official, after verifying the facts, try to redress the grievance with a reasonable time, preferably within a week of the receipt of application, while keeping in mind the university acts and regulations, so that no decision shall be taken in contradiction of the same. And once the solution is provided to your query, it will be visible in UMS My Message along with the detail of the resolution provided. Now, since your feedback matters to us, RMS platform has the feasibility to rate the response received by you. Once the RMS is closed, student can rate the reply on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 being unsatisfactory and 5 being satisfactory. Do enter your remarks while you give the rating. In case you are not satisfied with the response and give rating 1 or 2, the same query will be opened again at higher level for proper resolution of the query. For your facilitation, frequently used interfaces are having an inbuilt option of RMS linking, so that student can ask his or her concern directly from the interface which the student is using. Like you can see on the screen, in case a student is having any query related to online student support system, student can click on the option available, that in case of any query related to self-learning material, click here. As soon as you click there, it will redirect you to the RMS category of self-learning material. Now, in the next few slides, I will explain that how this facility of logging RMS can be used using university's mobile app named as LPU Touch. In the similar way, as soon as you log on to LPU Touch, this is your home screen where you have to click on Log RMS Request. Once you click on Log RMS Request, it will ask you to select the type of message. It can be any grievance, request, inquiry or feedback. Select the appropriate message type and click on OK. Once you click on OK button, it will ask you that to which department you want to ask your concern. Now, if you select examination, all the subcategories related to examination will be visible to you in the next subcategory tab. You need to select the appropriate subcategory like results in this case and then click on OK button. Once you click on OK button and successfully you have selected your subcategory, briefly enter the detail of your query. Enter it in the description box and click on submit button. Now, for the facilitation of students, few frequently accessible categories have been listed for you so that you can log your request in the right category and to the right department. For example, in case you have any query related to online classes, then you have to select the department to log on RMS is online classes and category under that department is online classes. Similarly, in case you have any query related to admissions or submission of pending documents, in case of freshmen, select division of admissions as the department and the desired category under that department. If you have any concern related to examination, select division of examination, academic operations as the department and Further, under that department, select examination as the category. And in case you have any request related to academic support, select Division of Student Relationship as the department, and the category under that department is academic support. Similarly, for any sort of student grievance and redressal, students can select the department Division of Student Relationship. Under that department, the category is Student Help Center. So this was all about relationship management system.